Hi, to enter and use split screen on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, firstly we need to visit Settings and here scroll till the Advanced Features tab. After that you would see multi-window selected, just like that. And now you need to enable swipe for split screen. So now all you have to do is to choose your first tab, and after that you can swipe up with your two fingers till the middle to enable split screen. Let's try this out. I'm gonna swipe up and yep, it's working. Now we need to select second app. For example, I want to choose YouTube. And now we can use those two apps at the same time. So we can watch videos and write down something. For example, if you're learning English, you can make notes right away. Now you can also see those three dots in the middle. You can tap it and you can simply move YouTube to this upper panel, and also we can simply hold the line, drag it up a bit and make YouTube smaller and notes bigger, or reverse, we can drag it down like that. Also, let me tap on those line as well, and here we can see those many dots, so we can replace this Notes app to Facebook, for example. We can also use this second icon to make Facebook like in this pop-up view. We can also go back to split screen using this first icon. You can use third icon and simply adjust the transparency of this window. You can close it and leave only just icon, which you can drag anywhere across the screen, and by tapping it you'll open this app again in a pop-up view. To make it a full screen, use this arrow, and now Facebook is on a full screen. So another way how you can enter split screen is you need to open your recents and then long press the app's icon, and now you need to simply choose your second app as well. And you can close YouTube if you drag this line up, so drag your second app to the top like that. You'll close your split screen. Or there is another option how you can close split screen is you can open recents and simply swipe your split screen up like that, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.